Wow, this is like having airbags for the iPhone 14. This is Casetify's new protective case called Bounce for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus, all of them. If you know the channel by now, you know that I've been reviewing Casetify cases for a long time. And as a viewer of this channel, you get a nice discount too, which I'll share in a bit. And Casetify have new technology in this case that I'll share later in the video. But first, let's take a look at the lineup here. Casetify already had the Impact and the Ultra Impact cases, which already had great drop protection. But with this new Bounce case joining the lineup, we're going to another level of protection here. To give you an idea, the Impact case has 8.2 feet drop protection, the Ultra Impact up to 11.5 feet, and the Bounce case here, 21.3 feet. It's like 6 meters or something. It's a ridiculous height that you can drop this from. In fact, that is 6 times the military standard. Just crazy. Casetify already had EcoShock on their cases, but get this, their new EcoShock system features a twisted design, which without sounding too geeky here, it helps disperse the impact when you drop your phone. It's quite interesting actually. Their twisted design was inspired by tree roots, so they've got negative space in the design to even out the impact when you drop your phone. They drop tested this product 156 times to make sure that the material doesn't wear off. I do wonder though what happened on the 157th time. Hopefully you're not going to drop your phone that many times, right? That's an interesting test, but let's see how it works on real hard floor. I'm going to remove the carpet here. Right, I've got the Bounce case on my phone. Let's do this. This is as high as I can reach. 1, 2, 3. I forgot to press record on the other camera. Let's do it again. Shit. Oh my god. Yeah, it's all good. You can see here. No scuffs or anything. Some marks on the corner here. Let's drop it face down. Ouch. Okay. Now, that smashed the protector on the camera. So the camera protector is gone, but let's see if he saved the camera. Yeah, the protector is really damaged. I'm gonna remove this carefully. Okay, just making sure that there's no glass at all before I wipe it. Make sure it doesn't scratch the lenses. As you can see, it's intact. I'm really glad I had the protector on. But yeah, he did his job really nicely. These cases are made from 65% recycled and plant-based material as well. You know, with so much plastic already in the world, it's nice to hear that Casetify are doing their bit to kind of reduce the waste. Now, before we talk about my favorite thing about Casetify cases, let's take a look at this bouncy one, right? This is Casetify's most protective case yet. They expanded the corners here by quite a bit, as you can see, and included some compression ribs and air cavities, which gives it this flexibility and allows the case, after you drop the case, to return to its original state after that drop. In the back plate as well, they have extended the use of EcoShock material in this signature X pattern here at the back. Talking about EcoShock, take a look at this. This is a block of EcoShock material versus the material that you find in some of the other cases out there. Clearly, EcoShock is doing a great job of dispersing that energy from the impact. Just what you need, right, when you drop your beloved and expensive iPhone. There are 2 very popular questions that I always get whenever I post a video about a case. Just quickly though, before we get into those questions, this is still a fairly small channel and a thumbs up goes a long way getting this video recommended to more people. So if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. And after this video, have a little browse on the channel. If you like my stuff, it would be awesome if you subscribed as well. Right, the 2 questions I get the most. The first one, how does it work with wireless chargers? I have a few different ones here and as you can see, no problems there. The second question is one that I actually care about as well, mainly because I use it in my car. I really hate those weak magnets that sometimes, you go through a bump and the phone just drops on the dash. But with Casetify here, as you can see, despite the weight of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is a heavy beast, right? This is not going anywhere. Right, let's talk about personalization here. This is my favorite thing about Casetify. You can either make your own design or choose from the endless designs that they have. They feature loads of collabs on the website with different artists and they are constantly adding new styles and new artists. And Casetify don't just sell cases, they sell accessories as well, screen protectors, camera lens protectors and phone straps as well. And the discount that I'm going to give you here for this case can be used across all products on the website. You're welcome. That's right, as a viewer of this channel, you get 15% discount too, which is great. Grab yours today from casetify.com/AlexG to get that 15% off your basket.